They said no food for a lazy man. Would that be true? Totally not. Because there's a way even a lazy man can actually make money, provided that he's willing to make money. And in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the best and the laziest way that you can actually use to make money off the internet if you are truly interested in making money. Now, the best part of all of this is that you can make nothing less than about $500 to $1,000 every single month with these simple ideas I'm about sharing with you. And if you're able to do them consistently for a couple of time, maybe for 1 month, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 month period of time, you could even be making way more than that $500 to $1,000 and be making way more than that. And all of this thing I'm about sharing with you right now are things I'm personally doing, so I'm sharing from a personal experience. So with this said, without taking much of your time, hello guys, if this is your first time here, kindly help me do the YouTube business by smashing that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell me how you feel down in the comment as well. The first lazy idea to actually make money on the internet is simply starting a faceless YouTube channel. Now, don't run away yet. You'll be like, starting a faceless YouTube channel, how is it a lazy way to make money online? Well, it's actually a lazy way to make money online with the secret I will reveal to you shortly. But then, before I talk about how to actually do it the lazy way, let me first of all give you this insight and the benefit of it. The reason why this number one way to actually make money as a lazy man is simply because, number one, you don't have to waste your time sitting in front of camera or getting a lot of heavy equipment, talking, doing the things I'm personally doing in order to make money. You don't waste your time editing videos. You don't waste your time fixing your audio quality and a lot of that. Faceless YouTube channel is basically simple. You give an AI a simple prompt, and then the AI gives you the whole content you need. And what you do next is simply take that video, post it onto YouTube. As simple as that. It's just like taking a selfie and then posting it on your Instagram handle for those of you who post videos, your personal life on social media. So Faceless YouTube channel is one of the easiest way you can actually use to make money online, because you don't have to show your face on camera, you don't spend money on expensive gadgets, and you don't stress yourself doing any single thing. All you basically do is simply watch that my video that is flying over there, as that video has actually made the whole process easier. Instead of the old model whereby you have to first of all come up with a video idea, give it to an AI to give you the script, use a voiceover generator to generate the voiceover, then you go outsource your videos or images or your AI artworks, every single thing before you make the video. With that particular video that I made over there, you don't have to stress yourself with any of those. All you basically do is simply put in a single prompt into an AI, then the AI will make a full video for you. So within 5 to 30 minutes, you'll be done making a full YouTube video that you can go and upload. And if you are able to upload 2 or more daily, I bet you within 2-3 months period of time, you'll be monetized on YouTube here and you'll start making money as well. And if you really want to make money and you want to invest more to cut short the edge of going through building the audience and a lot of that, you can actually buy already monetized YouTube channel to actually cut off the level. Remember, we are talking of lazy ways to make money off the internet. So now the second lazy idea to actually make a decent amount of money off the internet as a lazy fellow is basically direct response copywriting. Now, when you hear the word copywriting, what comes into your mind is simply probably writing blog posts, writing a lot of stuff, sales copy, and a lot of that for business owners and stuff. Well, over here is the lazy man's way, so it's a total different ideology. What I mean by the direct response copywriting is basically, you basically write response, like message response to company owners and co. So basically, let me say there's a company that have product they are selling. Now they know that they'll have a lot of people contacting them. So you, as a direct response writer, all you basically do is simply, once they get these questions and things from all of these writers, all you basically do is simply give them the feedback to give to these people. So, and the best part is that you can even make it way more easier with the help of AIs like ChatGPT. So for example, let me say a client, you got a client and the client is willing to pay you a decent amount of money, so you accepted the job. And once they receive a message from any of their customers, all you can basically do is simply copy the whole of that message, put it into an AI like ChatGPT or DeepSeek AI. They are basically going to give you the response you should give to this people. So you see that you are not doing anything. All you basically do is simply find a way to land this job on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and co. Once you land this job, you go over to AIs like ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Whenever you get a work to do, you give it to them. They give you the feedback. You copy the feedback. Just do some little tweaking on it. You submit it back to these people, and you're basically good to go. So guys, that is the second way to actually make money as a lazy person online, is basically writing direct response copyright, being a direct response copywriter. So let's move over to the third one on our list. Now, the third lazy way to actually make money on the internet is basically being a crypto trade middleman. Now, what I mean by a crypto trade middleman is simply there are a lot of people out there that have cryptos or are looking forward to buy crypto, but then they are not using these centralized exchanges like Binance, Bybit, KuCoins, and the rest. So what you do as a central crypto trading agent is basically simple. You look for people that are interested in buying these cryptos, and basically what you do is simply you once you see someone who is interested in buying, you go to the market and then you look at the rate at which people are willing to sell. So let me say someone wants to buy crypto worth about $1,000. Now basically you go over there, look how much it will cost you to buy that crypto that will be equivalent to $1,000 to this other to the buyer. Now once you see it, the next thing you basically do from here is simply you add your own percentage to it. So one thing I always advise is that adding anything about like 5 to 10% to it is quite okay. Now once you add like 5 to 10% to the original amount, you let the person know that okay, this crypto is going to cost you this amount, and you've already added your 5 to 10% already. So if the person is telling you that he's buying the crypto worth $1,000, obviously he's not going to pay you $1,000, he will pay in your local currency. So you basically add 5 to 10% to that original $1,000 and you charge him in the local currency because the rates are different, so he will obviously pay. Now as the person pays you, you buy the crypto from the money because he's eventually going to send you the money first. Now once he sends you the money, you buy the crypto, you transfer it to this person. Now in order to be very successful in this business and do it for as long as I've been doing it, like basically I've been doing it for about 3 years now. For you to be able to stay and do it for this long, one thing that is very important is simply being honest with your clients and using a very reasonable rate. So it's very important that you are honest with them. Don't go and cheat people. If you really want to do this business and make money, you are definitely going to make a lot of money from them recommending you to other people. Because one thing is that the person I started trading with at first is not the same person I'm trading with now, because I keep getting referrals over and over again from different people who are willing to sell. Because there are some people also, they have this crypto, they want to sell, but then they don't want to sell on those, they don't want to associate with those exchanges. So basically you who already have those exchange accounts like Binance and Bybit, you can then receive the crypto. Maybe they can send you crypto worth $1,000. Now from there, as usual, you can cut 5% of the original amount and then tell them that okay, this is what you are going to pay. So it's basically like buying and selling of products, but this one is in the crypto manner. You are just standing in between this person and then the actual exchange. So you buy from them and sell to the exchange for your profit, or you buy from the exchange and sell to them for your profit. So either way, you basically have to use a reasonable rate and be honest with your people as well. Now for those of you who are in Nigeria here, because I think it's more popular in Nigeria, you often see your content creators often advertising this crypto buyer, this crypto exchange guys and co. Now that is basically what these people are doing. They basically buy this crypto from these guys who have it already, and then they sell it on those exchanges, add their own percentage to it. That's simple. Or they buy from these exchanges, sell to people who are willing to buy with their own price margin and every single thing, and then they end up making their money. And the truth is that what some deals can even make you about 100, 200, 300 to even a $500+ for a single trade that you will do for these people, because there are some people that have a lot of amount. Like mostly anybody that doesn't use crypto exchanges has a high possibility of having a lot of crypto in their wallet, like Trust Wallet and co, where they don't trade directly. There are a lot of people who have a lot of coins in there that are willing to trade, so they end up trading between those sort of people. And you can also be this sort of person as well. And over the time, when you also grow and then start getting a lot of customers, you can also build a mobile application to even facilitate the whole process and make it quicker and easier. So guys, that is the third way to actually make money. The laziest way on our list is simply being a crypto middleman. Simple.